What's up, Driving Line? Thanks again for joining me for another episode of Cars and Kelly. Today we are at the Porsche Experience Center of LA, also known as PECLA. Today is their morning shift car show that they have once a month. PECLA is super cool. It's actually the third facility in the world, the other one being in Atlanta and in Europe. It's actually stretched across a 53-acre facility. Out back, they've got a couple different track configurations where you can rent cars and drive them on the track for the day. So let's check out the show. Joining me today is Gabriel Mallory, a fellow Porsche enthusiast, and he's going to be joining us around the show today.
Hello.
These are the brand new all-electric Porche Taycan Turbo and Turbo S. I think they just have just a regular Taycan model as well, but this is their new Tesla killer.
I'm not gonna lie, Kelly, the Taycan Turbo S is probably one of the craziest things I've driven lately. It just absolutely takes off. It has 2 speeds.
Okay.
So it actually sort of feels like you're driving something, because at some point there's going to be a shift in there. So it feels kind of cool. Apparently this was a Taycan test drive event.
Oh, really?
Yes. So the first 400 people to show up got to drive one, and test drive one.
Oh, we should have came a little earlier.
Yeah.
So this is Riviera Blue?
Either Riviera
or Mexico Blue. And that's the new 992. Ooh,
it does change the way it
look
feels.
at this E30.
It's right-hand drive.
Oh, it is. It's a wagon. It's a wagon. Wow. And he's parking.
Yellow 360 with center locks. Something racy. His intake manifold's wrapped in gold foil to keep the temperature out. Just like the McLaren F1. Thermodynamics, baby.
Cool.
Both Ferraris have the VIN plate right there.
Oh, signal green. Signal green, signal green. That's the best color ever.
It's called guacamole green.
No, it's not.
RWB.
Rough World, Rauwelt Begriff.
Rauwelt Begriff.
That is everything.
Kelly, green houndstooth.
Oh.
Oh man, that's awesome.
That's so cool.
The details on everything are so clean.
I love the exterior too. With the gold, it's so pretty.
Check out this Corvair.
That's pretty sweet.
Really awesome car. This car is super interesting to me because of the body lines on it. It has a really elongated tail end. You ever seen like a 67 or 66 Chevelle?
Yes.
Where they have the big C-column that's like super long and the rear quarter panel just lasts forever. This is such a cool
I think the front of this car is so funny to me.
It's the engine.
Yeah, I know. Thank you, Gabriel.
Is that not the craziest thing you've ever seen in your whole life? Ooh, wooden steering wheel for extra style points. We are looking at some pretty awesome history. This is a 917. This is from the really early 70s at Le Mans. This is a 962 from a little bit later, and this is a 911 GT1.
What a beautiful shop.
And this looks a lot like the museum at the Porsche factory in Stuttgart. They do restorations, all kinds of stuff. How cool is that? Look at that, that's really interesting. See the 993, the rear quarter panel? That's without the wide body over fenders. Ooh, Taycan demonstration laps.
This is so exciting. Since today is the Taycan test drive event, we get to take a ride in the Taycan on the track, and I'm pretty excited. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. This is so cool. Thank you, thank you. So fast.
That's fast.
What do you say, 0 to 60 in like 2.4? 2.4. You feel it. I was like, woo! It doesn't feel like an electric car, and I feel like it does at its core have like this Porsche spirit, like you know.
It feels like
it's not boring.
It feels like a Tesla would feel if Tesla had been a car company for 70 years.
That's true.
I think just the branding behind Porsche is just so awesome.
I know, coming to a place like this is like, owning a Porsche is like a lifestyle.
It's like Disneyland for Porsche owners.
Bookends.
All right, this is the coolest book I've ever seen. These are pictures of model cars.
I love every shade of green. Viper green. So awesome, all the shades of blue too.
It's more like the color of lava.
This is cool. All right, Driving Line, thanks so much for coming along with us at Porsche Center's morning shift. I hope you guys had as much fun watching as we had looking around at everything.
And drooling. Lots of drooling.
And Gabriel, thank you for joining us. That was fun.
Thanks for having me.
I'll see you guys next time. Bye.